Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Quick Launch into a Poco X4 GT. First of all, open your settings, scroll down and find additional settings option, this one. Go into here find cancel shortcuts option, and now on the top we got a block of our Quick Launch option. So for example, I want to activate launch camera option, so go into this option. Here we got two options, double press to power key and double press and volume down when the screen is locked. So activate these two options and let's try. Double press to power key, and how you can see camera is open. Let's try again. Volume down and power key. Double press volume down, sorry, when the screen is locked. Let's try. And how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.